Hi and welcome back to another Honeywell tutorial video. On this video we're going to learn on how to change the door mode for an NetAXS reader in WIN-PAK through the control map area. For this, let's go to Operations and select our control map. In here, let's go to our reader, select it. Let's right click our reader, and in here we can see all the options we've got to change the status of our reader. We can either unlock our doors, lock them back up, shunt them, or unshunt them. We can also pulse our doors. We can also do a time pulse to specify the amount of time we want our door to be pulsed. We can restore our reader to a specific time zone. We can as well select a time zone for our reader from here. For more information on how-to videos, please visit our website honeywelldiscoverytraining.com.